Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will guide you through how to control who can see your LinkedIn profile photo using the LinkedIn app on your phone. Managing your profile photo visibility is important. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Next, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Account Preferences. Next, scroll down until you find Showing Profile Photos. Tap on this option to see the different visibility choices available. You can choose between No One, Your Connections, Your Network, or All LinkedIn Members, depending on how private or public you want your profile photo to be. Finally, select the option that best fits your privacy needs, and your settings will be saved automatically. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.